What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a digital yard stake timer for the DIYers out there that is not into hard wiring. This will be the solution for you. So we're going to use this mainly for our water pumps out here. That way we don't have to get a long extension cord and hook up and stuff like that. I mean, it's not too much work, but this is just a cool product to have, you guys. It says it's a digital timer. As far as I see on here, everything looks analog, okay? I don't see nothing digital about this thing. All right, taking it right out of the box. And yes, we do get instructions. That's a plus. I didn't really check to see how long the wire is. Here goes the stake. Basically, it's just a thread and you thread it right on. That's self-explanatory, you guys. I didn't need instructions for that one. You got an extension for your stake, so you can actually make your stake higher. So let's loosen that back up and let's make the stake higher. And why is the spider on my camera? Get down. How did the spider get on the camera? So we're going to put the extension on, and then we're going to put the stake on. We have our remote, you guys. Nice. They did said this was digital, right? So y'all can explain to me where y'all see the digital at. Power, timer, sensor, 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, and 8 hours. So basically this is like a smart timer, kinda. Smart with your hands. I know I'm kind of corny, right? But it is what it is, you guys. I'm just a corny guy. Now the thing is, how far do the wire reach to? And you guys, this wire only goes, I'm gonna say this wire is a good 6 foot stretched out all the way, you guys. I thought this cord would be at least 25 foot. Come on, 25 foot, you guys. Why is this 6 foot? That is one ding right there. All right, or that's one con already, is this wire. So now you have to get an extension cord. So it kind of defeats the purpose when you can just make this 25 foot and run it close, or run it to your outlet and then have this somewhere. Cause me, I'm putting it right under the deck, so I will have to get an extension cord. It is what it is, you guys. So you get 3 in the front and then you get 3 in the back. All right, so basically it's saying where it can set to and all that. We'll get into that later. Blah blah blah. So I will definitely need to get my extension cord, come up with a little hookup, and see how we like this. All right, so far I'm taking 1 star off, you guys. We start off with 5 stars all the time, and then as we go, we take stars off. So the other misleading thing about this, now they shouldn't have put digital on here. All right, so if you put digital on here, people think digital, like you can actually read the stuff. So it's not technically digital. All right, I don't know if that's going to bother anybody, but that's another thing. With that being said, let me go ahead. I'm going to find a little spot for this, stake it up, and then we will go ahead and check out all of the functions. All right, you guys, so welcome to Under the Deck. So for my old school supporters out there, y'all been down here with me before when I was doing my dryer vent clean out, so I might have to do that again eventually. But let me go ahead. I'm gonna put this stake here. Now thing that I wish this thing did was like the ability to mount, because I would love to mount like on my wood, but they do have 6 outlets, so I can understand why they don't have an ability to do that. But I would love to like mount it so it'd be more sturdy. So yeah, so I'm going to put it right here, hit it in, and it's sturdy enough. This is my only dilemma, is this cord right here. So now I have to go get an extension cord, and I will have to cover it. So I will use one of these covers, cover it up. That's my only gripe, you guys. That is my only gripe so far. So we haven't used it yet. All right, let me go ahead and get set up so we can go ahead and use this thing. All right, you guys, so this is my only dilemma, is me having to get my own extension cord just for something that should have came with a 25 foot, and when I bought this, I wasn't really paying attention to the footage of the extension cord on here. I was just more focused on the unit because this is what I want. I want something like this where I can have it, you know, I could place it anywhere I want to on the exterior without being attached to the house. Blah, 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 blah. All right, so I just turned it on. Now, what we are going to do with this, we are going to hook it up with our water pump. All right, you guys, so I have the cord to my pump. Going to hook it up. Now, I don't know, is that off? I turned it off. I'm gonna leave it off for right now because I don't have no water or nothing going through it right now. So let me go ahead and set this thing up. All right, you guys, so I am going to give my main camera a break, but we do have the pump. We did prime the pump. We have the filter. We have our outside outlet right here, the little digital portable outlet. Well, they claim digital. So we have the digital portable outlet right here. Now, let's go ahead. All right, so when you click the button once, you get power. You click it again, it says sensor. So we'll get into sensor in a little bit. And 2, we have time over here. So if you click it, timer, it goes through all the settings for timer. All right, I'm gonna do that again. So power, you click it again, it goes to sensor. Sensor 2 hours, 4, 6, 8. Click it again, power, timer. You click it, it goes 6 hours, 4 hours, 2 hours, and then power off. All right, simple as that. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and click it so we can just have regular power. We are going to turn the valve on here. All right, so we have a little bit of water. All right, you guys, so everything is working so far. Let me get the remote real quick. Come on, remote, where you at? All right, so we have the remote right here. So you know you got to pull the piece of paper out. Right, that was a little hard to get off. Paper is out. We have battery already. I'm going to push it back in. Now let's see the function. I like this. One reason why I like this is because it works by remote. Now before, I was just hooking this up to my regular extension cord, and this comes on automatically. There is no on and off switch when it comes to this Drummond. This is from Harbor Freight, you guys. I reviewed this, I think, like 2 or 3 years ago. So on this channel, somewhere lingering around, if I can remember to put everything on the end of the video, because usually at the end of the video, I put related stuff that I was talking about at the end of the video. So with that being said, on. You guys, this is so much fun right now. Off. Before I end the review on this, let's go over a little bit more details. Now, this is some fun stuff. All right, it says it has 10 operating modes. I'm pretty sure y'all can't really see that. I don't know why y'all can't see that. Maybe because the action camera can't get that close, but it says 10 operating modes. It said remote control and button control. Okay. All right, so another cool thing, it says 100-foot signal. That is insane. 100 foot. I'm going to test it out at the end of my fence just to see. That should be about 70 foot if I go over there with my bonsai area where the birds feed. It says for outdoor use, so yes, you can have it outdoors, you guys. It does have an overload protection on it. I'm not going to do too much to this. I'm not going to have a lot hooked up to it anyway. So and yeah, that's about it. If I find anything else that's interesting, more than likely I post all the instruction stuff. So the sensor thing, I will go ahead and post up so you can know what the sensor is about. If not, I will try to do a little demonstration, but let me go back here. I just want to test out. I'm gonna put y'all on the chest real quick. All right, y'all get comfortable. We are going to see if this can work the distance. This is pretty cool, you guys. I'm interrupting the birds right now. Ooh, blackberries are coming out. Well, they're red berries, but y'all can see them. Nice. All right, on. Oh, this is awesome, you guys. I could do this in the house. This, All right, my next project, I have to hook up this water system. Once again, I will put everything here. I will put it up so y'all can see it, but this is pretty cool, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. I think I might give it 3.5, just for the simple fact that it don't have my at least 25 foot of extension cord for it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.